Okay, so if we have a plan to size some pipe over here, for example, this gas line. So what I
Pipe sizing or line sizing by using Aspen hysys. Pipe sizing is to determine the pipe size in a system so that the fluid flow through it optimally. Pipe size is determined based on the limiting velocities of the pipe material used, length of the pipe, and the allowable pressure drop in the line. The velocity limitations are considered to prevent problems like erosion, corrosion, water hammer, pressure surges, noise, vibration, and reaction forces. The allowable pressure drop may be influenced by factors including process requirements, economics, safety, noise, or vibration limitation. The following considerations shall also be made when determining size of a line or a pipe: nature of a fluid being handled, required capacity, including the design margin, available driving force for the fluid flow, pressure surges, material degradation due to erosion and corrosion, liquid accumulation or a slug flow, sand or solid accumulation, frequency of operation, either it is continuous or intermittent, and finally the length of the pipe. In your simulation, you will select the stream which you want to use for the pipe sizing. Double click on the stream, go to attachment, then analysis, click create button, choose the line sizing manager and add. First you will define the material of construction, and you can also choose the schedule according to your need. Then you will define the length of the pipe. Here the length of the pipe is 100 meter, and if you have some fitting you can also add it by the help of add fitting button here. Let's say we have a T as an elbow and the quantity is 1. Now close it. Now move to the setting options, and here you can define different criteria. If you define any of this criteria, it will work. Let's say we choose the maximum pressure gradient. It is 1 psi per 100 feet length of a pipe. Now you can see it is solved, and if we go to detail, it is giving us a detail of the pipe inside diameter, the thickness, the flow regime, and the criteria is meet or failed.
Okay, so if we have a plan to size some pipe over here, for example, this gas line. So what I do, double click on this. Okay, then I will go to attachment and then analysis, and then I click create. Okay, and from create section, what I do, I will take the line sizing manager. Okay, then I add it. Okay, in this line sizing manager, I can choose a material from here. Okay, the schedule, whatever schedule I want, and then here I can define the length. For example, the length is 50 meter here. Okay, and if you have some fitting, so click edit button and add the fitting from here. Like I choose T as an elbow, and I specify the quantities 2. Okay, then after defining this, I will go to the setting option. So I have all three criteria: raw V square, maximum velocity, and maximum pressure gradient. And here I have correlation. So this Bagnan will also work well for two-phase horizontal. So I have a horizontal pipe. So I work with this Bagnan bill, and I just give the criteria of 1 psi per 100 feet length of a pipe. Okay. So I just choose it from here. So it is solved now. And if I go to detail, so you can see all the parameters are available here, and according to this, my nominal size should be 20 mm for this line. Okay, and all the velocity, everything is available there. Okay, so this is the simple process to do it. Okay.
Thanks for watching. If you want to become an expert in Aspen hysys, join our online expert lead training course.